everyone, this is John with a crab update for you from Sea Market. It's a little bit windy out here today, but the crab catch has actually picked up a little bit. Crabbers are doing a little better than they were last week, finally. Peelers are still coming in, but hard crabs are trapping as well. So there's a combination of some heavy crabs and some light crabs being caught. We're telling our crabbers to keep the light ones out of them, and they're doing a good job of it so far. So you'll see a little bit of both. The catch has moved into a little bit shallower water now. Anywhere from 10 to 17 feet is where they're trapping. The bait that they're using is preferably L-wise right now, but razor clams are not far behind them. The pots have moved, crabbers have moved their pots up rather just north of the Bay Bridge and some of them south of the Bay Bridge. And also the trot liners are starting to work. So you're starting to see some crabs in the trot line waters. It's now time to start getting some crabs that way as well. Not as many as the potters, but they are catching a few. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye for now.